Welcome, first time RVers. How you doing? Buddy here. Hope all is well. Well, it's the end of the summer. Yeah, Labor Day weekend. We're gonna go ahead and get the reflection hooked up, and we're gonna head to Ocean Lakes. You guys, come on with us. I always park my truck over here on the side yard because there's not enough room in the driveway when the camper's there. So I put it over here. We got old Rocky on the back. All right, well, let's get in, back up, hook up, and head out. Good morning, everyone. We got here last night, set up, went to the pool for a while, and then went to bed. This morning we got up, had some coffee, and just we're out for a ride now, looking around. Wanted to see the fire that happened about 2 months ago. So we're searching for those homes. Nice and cool out. We'll get our day started here soon. So just for a little reference of size of this place, we just drove around for about a half hour looking for the units that were burned in a fire about a month or two ago. Half hour before we finally found them, and we ended up we were on our way back before we ended up finding them, but here they are. Four of them burned to the ground. Look at the damage to this one. They're still letting them stay in it, but it is melted. And then you got these over here. Nice. They may be North Carolinians. There's a Duke golf cart. And even the heat melted this place here. Just left the beach. We're gonna head over to the water park now. Spend a little time in the water park. Little Michael's going. Little Savannah's going. Doing a little lazy river. Trying to keep our 6-foot distance. What is this? Loaded baked potato soup. Maddie and I are having it. Dawn's gonna have a salad. And then we're probably gonna head back out to the ocean and back to the pool. It's gonna be a quiet weekend, I think. Nothing major. A little bit of fun in the water for our unofficial end of the summer here. Dawn's gone back to ordering these meal kits. I guess this was from Every Plate, loaded baked potato chowder. It was really good, wasn't it, Maddie?
Yeah.
Very good. Let me show you here our beautiful view. Now, don't be jealous. Look, the mountains in the background, beautiful fields, look, little water. Gorgeous, isn't it? Now obviously that's a joke, but this is Ocean Lakes. I mean, they put you in here bumper to bumper. Let me see if I can show you. I'm sure it's probably still there. But yesterday when we pulled in, we came down this road right here. There was another camper here, and they had parked their SUV right in the grass right here. So I had to kind of make this turn, and then we're the second one in. So of course I had to take my time. They offered to move their car, and we were able to make it, but it's just some of the things you have to deal with at Ocean Lakes. There are fun aspects of it. There's plenty to do. You're right on the beach, although we're kind of far back, but we did that because we wanted to be in the shade, and we got a really shady area, which is kind of nice. This weekend, actually, the temperature dropped. It was almost close to 100 for a couple days there, and I think we're a high in the mid 80s today and tomorrow, so it's not bad out. But with the shade, it's really nice. The evening is upon us. It has gotten nice, no humidity now, a cool breeze. Beautiful out. We may sit and relax, maybe go to the pool or something for a little while. And there's the sunset. Well, since it's the evening, I guess we'll maybe go see what's in the refrigerator here. Let's get the light on. What do we have? We got a Samuel Adams variety pack. It's got some regular Samuel Adams, some Oktoberfest. And then a Jacko pumpkin. This is actually pretty good. Guess we'll go with that. Something I forgot about Sam Adams is pop top, no screw top. But luckily, we keep the little key right here. So when it comes to Ocean Lakes, it's huge. And there's different areas you can be in. Area closer to the beach is great because you're close to the beach. But there are no trees. The sites are very tight. And all the action's there. So if you want the high energy action, that's probably for you. But you also have areas like this where it's, you know, a little more room, not much more, but a little more room. Got trees, so we got some shade. And if you look and listen, it's pretty calm and quiet. Every once in a while you'll get some golf carts going by. There we go. But not nearly as much as down that way. And if you're kind of where the beachfront is, that's where the cruising happens with the golf carts. So I think we've decided we kind of like it back here where it's a little bit calmer. You can go that way for the action if you want it, or you can be here and relax and get a cool breeze, and during the day have some shade. Picked up some distilled water today. Tomorrow we're going to be putting making sure the batteries are topped off to keep them nice and fresh in the golf cart there. And it is dessert time. Some Patti LaBelle sweet potato pie and an M&M vanilla yogurt for Maddie. Nice and early Sunday morning. Sun's starting to come up. At Ocean Lakes, this is the calm before the storm. Dawn just pointed out I said storm, and it's kind of cloudy skies. That's not what I meant. I meant the storm as far as the craziness of Ocean Lakes, the busyness anyways. Pool opens about 9 o'clock, so people will be up and moving soon. It's a little after 7 this morning. So in 2 hours, this place will really pick up. Let's go on a... Since Black Hills, we got a GoPro to do some filming with, get us a little wider angle. I was hoping it was pretty good at deadening the wind noise, but evidently if you saw some of those videos, it's not that great at it. So we got this attachment for it that has a separate speaker that also doesn't have great wind reduction, so I had to make myself something to put on there. I'll probably get a microphone at some point, I guess, but basically took the old mic I had for when I was using my phone, took this off, put a little stretchy band on it, and I slide it over the GoPro, so hopefully that's working better. What better late in the morning before you head to the pool or to the ocean to see this. What are you kids doing out here?
Never mind.
The original Friday the 13th.
It's condemned.
Classic. Alright, I showed you that distilled water yesterday. So I'm going to go ahead and top off the batteries, make sure there's enough distilled water in there. So I'm just gonna make a little funnel out of one of these water bottles. Top off. These are pretty cool how these work. You just kind of twist one of them and all four of them twist off. So we'll do each battery one at a time. Checking this battery here, I can see it's pretty much good to go. Basically on the bottom of this ring of the battery itself, you just want to get it to the bottom of that ring. So this one looks good. Yeah, this needs some. Take the cap off. Alright, I got about 2/3 of this left. I'll just take it home, put it in the garage, ready for next time. I do this about once a month. We'll go wash my hands and then I'll finish up. Get the seat back on. There you have it. Like I said, I do that about once a month. Top them off. Good to go. I think now we're getting ready to go to the pool, so come on with us. Boy, did we luck out the pool today. We've got the last spot right there. We're lucky because all this is full. We came back to the camper to do lunch. It's about 1 o'clock after being at the pool for a while. I get my hands all full of soap to wash my hands before making lunch, and look at this. Evidently there was a water main break, so we have no water. So we already had plans to cook this meal. Now we have no water, we can't clean up. Hopefully they'll get it fixed quick. But we'll see. I don't know, maybe we'll just head back to the pool until we can get some water in this place. So we've had to do the bottled water trick when we do need to wash our hands. Time to put our sticker on. All right, where should it go? Right here?
Cover the old one.
Well, I'm gonna take that one
Okay.
off.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Great.
Yeah.
There we are. Sunday evening, one last trip on the golf cart before we head home. You can hear it's still going full speed at the water park here. Of course, you can see all the golf carts everywhere. Look at them. Golf carts, bicycles, everything, everywhere. There's some flags. A sight for sore eyes.
We should go.
Maddie, what's the time for?
Tip of the trip.
Here we go. Tip of the trip is be ready for high energy at Ocean Lakes. If you like high energy, fast pace, this is the place for you. There is tons to do. The kids will probably love it, but it's high energy and there's a lot going on. A lot of golf carts, a lot of pedestrians, a lot of kids on bikes and scooters, power scooters. So just be ready for that. Can be a little sketchy as far as abiding the rules and regulations of the road. If you want a little slower pace, stay where we stayed. I think I talked about it earlier. We're far away from everything, but we're also far away from that high energies. Not nearly as much going on here. Spaces are a little bigger and you get a little shade. So That's our...
Tip of the trip.
Alright, well that leads us right to the end of this video, since we are heading home in the morning. We will be out again, I think, in 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and then next month we do have a week-long vacation coming up. So, as always,
Make sure to like, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications bell, and comment.
alright guys, thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.